Video from today about Bitcoin. In today's segment, we will be taking a closer look at Litecoin, also known as LTC. Currently, Litecoin is ranked at number 12 in terms of market capitalization, with a value of approximately $6.11 billion. Over the past 24 hours, it has experienced a trading volume of around $243 million today. We will be discussing some intriguing price action for Litecoin, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Without any further delay, let us shift our focus to the chart. For Litecoin versus USD on the 4-hourly time frame. For this analysis, we will be using Coinbase as our data source, as we have observed there is a compelling case for a bullish outlook on Litecoin, primarily due to the fact that the bulls have managed to hold the level of 82, specifically 82.25. As long as the price of Litecoin continues to hold this level, our bullish sentiment remains intact. In fact, we may even witness an impulsive push towards the 200 EMA at the 88 region. This potential push could result in a 6% increase in value for Litecoin. However, it is important to note that we should anticipate some consolidation in the near future, possibly continuing until the weekend. When we look more closely at the indicators, we can see that Litecoin is currently consolidating around the zero list. There are some worries about Lunc Classic's general bearish trend, which could last until next week market structure. But there are some factors that could be bullish. First, some recent proposals have been passed, such as the return of used community funds and the burning of 100 of those funds. While these may not have an effect on the price, it's good to see governance in action. However, Bitcoin is the most important factor for the price of Lunc Classics right now. If Bitcoin continues to rise and breaks above $33,300, the price of Lunc Classics will increase. Lunc Classic must close above the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame within the next 48 hours to support this bullish scenario. If it fails to do so, it may indicate that Lunc Classic is not strong enough. Overall, Lunc Classic could attempt a bull ISA, but much will depend on how Bitcoin performs and how the price fluctuates in the next few days. Good morning and welcome back to the program. Litecoin has a market capitalization of about $6.11 billion, making it the 12th largest cryptocurrency on the market. Recent Litecoin activity has been quite captivating, so settle back and enjoy the voyage. Let's take a closer look at the charts, focusing in particular on the Litecoin USD pair on the 4-hour time frame using Coinbase data. We've been observing a bullish case for Litecoin, particularly since the bulls have been able to keep the price above 82.25 as long as Litecoin stays above 82.25. Our bullish sentiment is strong, and we anticipate a possible impulsive push towards the 200 EMA around 88, which could result in a 6 rise in Litecoin's price. However, it is essential to note that we may experience some consolidation in the coming days, which could last until the weekend. Since our indicators show a consolidation period at the zero level on the cloud indicator, this consolidation phase shouldn't come as a surprise. This means that Litecoin is likely to continue moving sideways as long as the 82 level holds. By the beginning of the following week, this consolidation phase should still be in effect, and we can expect an impulsive push towards the 80 to 80 region too. In conclusion, our analysis indicates that Litecoin is currently in a consolidation phase with potential favorable momentum on the horizon. If you enjoy our insights, please like and subscribe to receive daily updates on Litecoin. We will discuss Litecoin, also known as LTC, which is presently ranked 12th in terms of market capitalization. Litecoin has a market capitalization of approximately $6.11 billion. And approximately $243 million worth of Litecoin was traded in the previous 24 hours, so sit back, relax, and appreciate this fascinating video. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of Litecoin by scrutinizing its price action. For this analysis, we will examine the 4-hour chart of Litecoin versus the US dollar. Above this level, our bull ISH outlook remains unchanged, and we could see a 6% spike toward the 200 EMA exponential moving average in the 88 area. However, it is important to note that at this point, we should anticipate a period of consolidation. This consolidation phase is likely to last through the weekend with a possible breakout the following week. The Z-score has indicated an overbought region, indicating that Litecoin's price is likely to decline. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the video for today's cryptocurrency. Today, we'll investigate the fascinating world of Litecoin or LTC, which has a market cap of $6.11 billion in the last 24 hours. Litecoin traded for approximately $243 million, so brew yourself a cup of tea and view this informative video. As BTC increases by $2 in 24 hours, people ponder what this might mean for buyers. As the market continues to fluctuate, we should determine whether this increase indicates that now is a good time to consider purchasing Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, discussed how he sees a growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and that as Bitcoin becomes more pervasive in society, a one-size-fits-all solution may not be possible. The recent 2% increase in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has prompted people to ponder what it could mean for buyers as the market continues to fluctuate. According to a Saylor, there are three primary Bitcoin price predictions as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor discussed the potential for Bitcoin integration. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, discussed the growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and that as Bitcoin becomes more pervasive in society, a one-size-fits-all solution may not be feasible. The Bitcoin space requires custodians for three primary reasons: a technical one, a political one, and a technical one. Bitcoin price forecast as BTC increases by 2 in 24 hours. People are wondering what the recent 2% increase in Bitcoin's price over the past 24 hours could imply for buyers as the market continues to evolve. The question arises, does this rise indicate that now is a good time to consider purchasing Bitcoin? Michael Saylor on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, discussed the Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and